Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Samantha and you're not going to want to miss this one. You guys have been really loving my natural hair videos and I have another one for you today in this installment of Vlogtober 2022. We're going to be talking about some fan favorite hair care products that I've been using to try to get the health of my hair back to what it used to be. Today we're using Olaplex hair repair system as well as some Inkey list products to do our hair today, and I'm going to take you through my whole wash and blow dry process. Before we go any further, I want to thank you guys so much for 600 subscribers. Actually right now I believe that we're at 604, so thank you guys so much for subscribing, for liking the videos, for commenting, for engaging and joining this little community. And if you haven't already, definitely hit that subscribe button, hit that bell button to be notified when the next video is coming up. And I got a hint, I have some clip-ins coming in the mail and I want to add them to my hair and just style them and see if I can get a little glam look going for you guys. So thank you guys so much for 600 subscribers, 604. Because my hair was in a protective style for a bit above a month and a half, I wanted to make sure that my scalp and my hair shaft was super clean before I started with the repair system. I went ahead and used the glycolic acid exfoliating scalp scrub to target my scalp. I used the nozzle to spread the product throughout my scalp and then I massaged everything in. I let that sit for about 10 to 15 minutes as directed. I knew that my hair shaft had a lot of product on it, so I wanted to make sure that my hair shaft was as clean as possible before I started the repair system. I used the Malin Goat's peppermint shampoo and I used that to cleanse my scalp of the product buildup and of the treatment. I didn't want my hair to start getting matted and tangled. I went ahead and washed and shampooed my hair while it was in twists. This shampoo helps clarify your hair and it also has amino acids in it. It helps remove dirt, oil, and any kind of product buildup. So this is a very good clarifying shampoo. I'll have all of the links down below for where you can purchase any of these items that I've mentioned. So after clarifying my hair, I did feel that most of the dirt and grit was off of my hair, except for a portion in the front that still had a little bit of buildup. So I went ahead in with a little bit more peppermint shampoo just to make sure that my entire scalp was as cleansed as possible. I did do a scalp check. I just ran my fingernails across my scalp just to see if anything came up under my nails, and everything was completely gone. I highly recommend this glycolic acid exfoliating scalp scrub if you tend to feel like you're not getting your scalp as clean as possible, which I tend to feel when I do just a general shampoo, that my scalp isn't as clean as possible. It doesn't matter how much I go ahead and rub my fingers through it, but this really helped. And I love that it has active ingredients as well, and it doesn't have any grit to it. It's more like a serum. It doesn't really scrub, it just kind of dissolves all of the buildup. This is definitely something that I want to keep in my regimen to make sure that my scalp is spotless, because a good scalp equals healthier hair. And then I have this hair repair treatment kit from Olaplex that I picked up from Sephora. Currently it's on sale. I leave all the links down below. This was about $60 for 4 products, and you guys know that Olaplex can be a little pricey, so when I saw this I had to pick it up. So I went ahead in with the Intensive Bond Building Hair Treatment, and I went and sprayed that on my damp hair. It does say that it's supposed to be put on dry hair, but I wanted to make sure my hair was clean so that I can receive the treatment. Next time I will try it on dry hair just to see if there is any difference. Honestly, this product is super watery, and my hair pretty much repels water, so it was kind of difficult to use this product in the sense that my hair wasn't absorbing much of it. I'll try it on dry hair in the future and see if that makes a difference, but I have low porosity hair, so water products tend to just kind of glide off of my hair. Otherwise, I like to try this again and see if there's any difference.
This treatment is a part of a two-step process. First you go in with number 0 and then you're going to top it off with number 3.
And I did end up using a lot of the products. I'm about right here in the bottle, so there's maybe 25% of the product left after just one use. I went ahead and used one of my favorite products from Olaplex. This is the Olaplex Hair Perfector number 3, and it's supposed to repair and strengthen your hair as well as build the bonds of your hair. So I went ahead and used this right on top of the treatment that had been sitting in my hair for 10 to 15 minutes. And I love this product. A little goes a long way with this product, but I did end up using over half of the bottle in that one session. This can be used on damp or towel dried hair, and you allow it to sit on your hair for 10 minutes, which is what I did as well. Sometimes I like to use this with heat and a heated cap, but this time, since I was filming and in a rush almost, I didn't get to do that. I do feel that this, with a little bit of water on my hair, it tends to be a little bit easier to detangle. I was having a tough time detangling because my hair just kept kind of tangling up and getting just like knotty, so I didn't want to comb through my hair too much throughout this process because I realized that I was shedding a lot, but this did soften up my hair a bit. I went in with the Olaplex Bond Maintenance Shampoo, and that really cleansed my hair of all of the product. This is formalized to repair and strengthen and nourish your hair. I love this shampoo. It goes on really nice, it sets up really nice, and it just feels good on your hair. And I made sure to get that from root to tip. This shampoo feels really nice and luxurious on your hair. After the shampoo, I went ahead with the Bond Maintenance Conditioner, and I love this on my hair. It really felt super soft. I do notice in the footage that there was little like balls of the conditioner on my hair, so it looks like it didn't really absorb into my hair, but I did feel the difference in how soft my hair was when using this. I did try to go ahead and detangle as much as possible, but again, I didn't want to cause any more breakage, any more pulling, any more knotting, so I went ahead and did a general detangle while I was in the shower, and I left this on for a good 3 to 5 minutes as well. Last but not least, I used the, actually this is not last, there's one other product. I went ahead in with the Olaplex number 6 Bond Smoother. So this Bond Smoother is leave-in. It is supposed to be a reparative leave-in and a styling cream. It helps reduce frizz, and it's supposed to nourish and protect your hair. So I went in with just a few drops of this product. I really did not want to oversaturate my hair with any kind of creams because I knew I was gonna go in and blow dry and straighten it. I love this. It helped detangle my hair. It helped my hair feel and look just good. And I noticed after this entire system that my hair had a nice sheen to it. My scalp was clean and my hair felt light and airy, which I loved. I don't feel like I've ever had that experience of a like light, airy hair before, and I really like that a lot. I love letting my hair air dry overnight in twists and then going in with a blow dryer the next day if necessary. And because I wanted to try a silk press kind of style, I went ahead and let my hair air dry overnight, and in the morning I went in with some heat styling products. I went in with my BioSilk Silk Therapy Serum, and I also went in with the Olaplex number 7 Bonding Oil. I only used a few drops of this, very light on the oil and very light on the Silk Therapy as well. And I went ahead and blow dried my hair, and then I went in with the straightening iron. I got all of these items from Sephora, and as you know, the Sephora Day sale is coming up. So if you're in the market for hair care products and you're looking for some things to pick up during the Sephora sale, I highly recommend some of these products for you. All in all, this is the result that I got. I'm gonna take my ponytail off for you guys actually, so you can see my hair. Oh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. So this is what my hair looks like after I straightened it. I also went in and trimmed the ends. Wait, let me make sure this doesn't look crazy. I feel like I should have worn my hair like this the entire video actually. It's kind of cute. So I went in and I straightened and curled my hair. I trimmed the ends. I trimmed about 2 inches off of it. I can tell that there is a lot of breakage in just all throughout. Just because I've been kind of just neglecting keeping my hair moisturized and conditioned and just in a, you know, general healthy state. It does feel good. It feels light and airy. It has like a nice body to it, but I do want some clip-ins. So I want some clip-ins just to add more, I don't know, just to add a little oomph to my hair. But so far so good. All of these products that I use really helped to just get my hair where it needed to be. I feel like my hair feels super healthy. It feels super lightweight. It looks good, and I can't wait to incorporate these things in my hair care regimen consistently and to see if it helps with any breakage or any issues that I've been facing when it comes to growing my hair long and super healthy. But you can see like right here, like the ends are still frizzy. See, it feels good. I love it. I love it. And that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.